Hi guys, in another video by MTech Pro. Recently we have seen many rumors and leaks which showed off key specs of Samsung Galaxy Note 9. At the end of March, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 apparently was run through Geekbench. Sporting the Snapdragon 845 mobile platform, this is the model that will be found in the US and in China. The test produced a single-core score of 2,190 and a multi-core score of 8,806. Today, the European version of the Galaxy Note 9, powered by the Exynos 9815 chipset, appeared on Geekbench and produced impressive results. The single-core score hit 5,162, and the multi-core score reached 10,704. The rest of the specs as seen on Geekbench include 8GB of RAM, and the device tested was running on Android 8.1.0 for the record. The A11 Bionic chipset found inside the 2017 Apple iPhone models tallied a single-core score of 4,061 and a multi-core score of 9,959 on Geekbench. That would seem to indicate that if these results are legit, we will see some unworthy performance from the Galaxy Note 9. We expect the device to carry a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a 1440x 2960 resolution and an aspect ratio of 18.59. A 4000 mAh battery is rumored to be on board along with the same dual 12-megapixel camera setup found on the Galaxy S9 Plus. At this point, we probably won't see an in-display fingerprint scanner until it appears next year on the Samsung Galaxy S10. We could see the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 unveiled a little earlier than usual this year, possibly as soon as July or August. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.